In this video, I'll show you how to set up Acuity Scheduling in just a few minutes. Make sure to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. Start by visiting the Acuity Scheduling website and signing up for a free trial. You can create an account using your email or quickly connect through Google or Apple. Once your account is ready, it's time to customize your scheduling page. Use the style editor to add your logo, brand colors, and make sure your page reflects your business identity. Next, set your availability. Go to the scheduling tab, select your time zone, and define your business hours. Pick the days and time slots you want to offer to avoid double bookings or confusion. Now, add your appointment types. Enter the name, duration, and price if needed. You can create individual services or group classes, ensuring clients know exactly what they're booking. Integrate with other tools for a smoother workflow. Connect your Google Calendar, Zoom for virtual meetings, and payment processors like Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Configure your payment options, including deposits or full payments, to secure bookings. Finally, embed your scheduling page on your website. Copy the provided embed code and paste it into your site's HTML, making it easy for clients to book directly. And that's it. Your Acuity Scheduling is ready to manage appointments efficiently and enhance client interactions. Happy scheduling!